In today's hyper-connected world, it's easy to feel overwhelmed by constant notifications and screen time. Taking a digital detox can recharge your mind and improve your well-being. But the idea of unplugging sometimes feels scary, like you'll miss out or feel cut off. In this quick guide, we'll explore simple, practical ways to unplug from your devices without losing touch with what matters most. Ready to reclaim your time and find balance, all while staying connected in meaningful ways. Let's dive in. Today, we will talk about digital detox, how to unplug without feeling disconnected. So before we start, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. 1. Understanding digital detox. In today's hyper-connected world, constant exposure to digital devices can lead to burnout, stress, and decreased productivity. A digital detox involves intentionally stepping away from screens, phones, computers, and social media to recharge mentally and physically. However, many fear that unplugging might cause them to feel isolated or miss out on important information. The key is learning how to disconnect without feeling disconnected. A balanced approach allows you to enjoy the benefits of downtime, such as improved focus, better sleep, and reduced anxiety, while staying engaged with your life and relationships. Digital detox isn't about completely abandoning technology, but about creating healthy boundaries that foster well-being and presence. 2. Recognizing the signs you need a break. Before diving into a detox, it's important to recognize when it's necessary. Signs include feeling overwhelmed by notifications, difficulty concentrating, sleep disturbances, and increased irritability. You might also notice physical symptoms like headaches or eye strain. Emotional dependence on devices, such as reaching for your phone first thing in the morning or during conversations, signals the need to unplug. Recognizing these signs is the first step toward reclaiming control over your digital habits. By acknowledging the impact of excessive screen time, you can motivate yourself to create intentional moments of disconnection, ultimately enhancing your mental clarity and emotional balance. 3. Setting realistic detox goals. Successful digital detox starts with clear, achievable goals. Instead of quitting cold turkey, begin by limiting screen time in manageable increments, such as reducing social media use by 30 minutes a day or turning off devices an hour before bed. Identify specific tech-free times or zones, like during meals or before bedtime. Using apps to track and limit usage can help you stay accountable. Set goals that suit your lifestyle and commitments to avoid feeling deprived. Remember, the objective is to reduce digital dependence, not eliminate connectivity altogether. A gradual approach increases the likelihood of maintaining healthier habits long-term. 4. Creating tech-free zones and times. Designating certain spaces and times as tech-free is crucial for a successful detox. For example, keep bedrooms device-free to promote restful sleep, or make the dining area a no-phone zone to encourage meaningful conversations. Establishing specific unplug hours each day helps reset your brain and reduces the habitual urge to check screens. Tech-free times could include the first hour after waking, during exercise, or right before sleep. These boundaries foster mindfulness and presence, helping you reconnect with yourself and others. Over time, these pockets of disconnection create a healthier relationship with technology and improve overall well-being. 5. Replacing screen time with meaningful activities. One challenge during a digital detox is filling the time once devoted to screens. Planning alternative activities ensures you stay engaged and enjoy the benefits of unplugging. Consider hobbies like reading, journaling, cooking, or outdoor exercise, activities that promote relaxation and creativity. Socializing face-to-face, practicing meditation, or simply spending quiet moments in nature can replenish your mental energy. Having a list of enjoyable tech-free pursuits helps prevent boredom and reduces the temptation to revert to digital devices. These meaningful replacements nurture your mind and body, supporting emotional balance and happiness. 6. Staying connected without screens. Unplugging doesn't mean losing touch with people. To avoid feeling disconnected, prioritize in-person interactions when possible. Schedule regular meetups, phone calls, or handwritten letters to maintain relationships. When digital communication is necessary, be mindful and intentional. Limit multitasking and focus fully on the interaction. Share your digital detox goals with friends and family so they understand your limits and can support you. This openness fosters deeper connections and encourages mutual respect for healthy tech boundaries. By balancing offline connection with intentional online use, you preserve social bonds without digital overload. 7. Managing work and digital detox. For many, work demands constant digital presence, making detox challenging. Communicate boundaries clearly with colleagues and managers, such as designated offline hours. Use tools like email filters or do not disturb modes to minimize distractions. Batch tasks to reduce frequent device checking and schedule breaks away from screens. Prioritize tasks to focus on what truly matters. While a full detox may not be feasible during work hours, carving out tech-free moments before and after work helps reduce burnout. Managing work technology mindfully increases productivity and preserves mental health without sacrificing professional responsibilities. 8. Maintaining a balanced digital lifestyle. After completing a digital detox, the goal is to sustain healthier habits long-term. Reflect on what worked and adjust your approach accordingly. Regularly reassess your screen time and digital habits, and continue setting boundaries that align with your well-being. Incorporate daily mini-detoxes, such as morning or evening tech breaks, and keep tech-free zones in your home. Use technology purposefully, focusing on tools that add value rather than drain your energy. A balanced digital lifestyle empowers you to enjoy technology's benefits while protecting your mental and emotional health. Ultimately, unplugging without feeling disconnected is about mindful, intentional use. 9. Overcoming detox challenges. Starting a digital detox can be difficult, especially when devices are deeply integrated into daily life. Common challenges include feeling bored, anxious about missing out, FOMO, or worrying about being unreachable. To overcome these hurdles, plan your detox during low-stress periods or weekends when demands are lighter. Inform friends, family, and coworkers about your plan so they understand and can offer support. Gradually ease into longer unplugged periods instead of abrupt disconnection. When cravings arise, redirect your focus to an engaging offline activity or practice mindfulness to manage urges. Remind yourself of the benefits: improved focus, better sleep, and emotional balance, which outweigh temporary discomfort. With persistence and preparation, these obstacles become easier to navigate, making your detox more effective and sustainable. 10. Technology as a tool, not a master. A healthy relationship with technology means viewing devices as tools to enhance life, not masters that control it. Digital detox is not about rejecting technology, but reclaiming your power over how and when you use it. Reflect on which digital habits serve you and which drain your energy or distract you from meaningful experiences. Use settings and apps that encourage mindful use, like screen time monitors and notification management. Balance connectivity with intentional offline moments to nurture creativity, relationships, and mental clarity. When technology supports your goals without dominating your time, you enjoy its benefits fully, staying informed, connected, and entertained, while preserving your well-being. This balanced mindset is key to thriving in a digital world without feeling overwhelmed or disconnected. If you like this video and would like to see more like it, please give it the thumbs up, leave a comment, and click the button to subscribe.